Using a VPN is always a good idea to encrypt your internet traffic so that hackers or your ISP cannot see your online information. However, using a VPN provider like NordVPN, ExpressVPN, etc. comes with a big monthly premium. Also, you can't always trust a VPN provider to keep your information safe online. So, it would be best if you create your own VPN server. Hosting a VPN on your own server has lots of benefits over using a VPN provider. It includes control over your personal data, improved performance, affordability, and more. Without further ado, let's dive into how to create your own VPN server with hosting for free. In this video, we'll build a VPN on the Google Cloud. Google Cloud is a platform that lets you build and host your applications and websites. Visit cloud.google.com. For new users, it offers a 3-month free trial with $300 free credit. You can use your existing Gmail account to log in or create a new one. Either way, you will get free credits if you are a new Google Cloud user. Then, you will have to add your credit card. But don't worry, it will not charge you anything after the free trial period ends. It will just stop your servers and resources until you upgrade to a paid billing plan. You can see I've got 24,000 rupees, that is $300 free credit, which I can use within 90 days. We'll create a VPN server using OpenVPN. With the OpenVPN solution, we can deploy our VPN server with just a few clicks. Go to Google Cloud Marketplace and search for OpenVPN. Then launch OpenVPN Access Server. Now you need to configure your server. Type a name for your server. Choose the zone or location of your server. You can choose your server location in the US, Europe, Asia, or wherever you want. If you want to use this VPN server just for your basic VPN requirements, I'd suggest use the E2 series CPU platform, which is the cheapest of all. Then select the smallest machine, which is E2 Micro. After the trial period ends, it will cost you only 583 rupees per month, which is way cheaper than many popular VPN providers. Now click Deploy to create your server. Within a few minutes, you should see the OpenVPN server is created. In the right column, it provides a server URL, admin panel URL, and admin username and password. Now we can log into our admin panel. The SSL certificate is not installed, that's why the browser is showing this warning. Just click on Proceed. Enter your username and password to log in. Remember, OpenVPN allows 2 users to access the VPN at once for free. If you want to use the VPN on more than 2 devices at the same time, you have to purchase an activation key from the OpenVPN website. Click on VPN settings. Here, you have to allow the client's internet traffic to be routed through the VPN. Activate this option to use specific DNS servers for the client. You can use Google's DNS or Cloudflare's DNS. Click Save Settings and then click Update Running Server. We are done with the VPN server setup. The VPN server is up and running and ready to take incoming VPN connections. Now, you need to install the OpenVPN Client app on the devices where you want to use the VPN. To download the OpenVPN Client app, click on this site address link. Then log in with the username and password. The OpenVPN Connect app is available for all major platforms like Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, and iOS. Just download the OpenVPN Connect app for your device and install it. Your OpenVPN profile is already added. Just turn on the toggle and log into your VPN server. We are connected. You can see traffic in and out on the connection stats. To check if your VPN is working, go to Google and type "what is my IP address." You should see your VPN server's IP address here. And the server location that you selected. If you download the OpenVPN Connect app from Google Play Store, Apple Play Store, or other sources, you have to manually import your OpenVPN profile. To do so, click on this link to download the OVPN config file. I installed the OpenVPN Connect app from Play Store. I need to just import the OVPN config file here. Once the profile is imported, we can connect to the VPN. Guys, it is recommended to use static IP address for the VPN server so that it never changes when the server restarts. To make the IP address static, go to VPN network, then click on IP addresses. Click on the three dot, then promote to the static IP address. You can see the external IP address is now showing static. To go back to your deployed OpenVPN server panel, follow the steps. Make sure to save a copy of this password. You can also change this password to an easy to remember password. To do so, follow the steps. Here, enter your new password.